So I need to replace the posts. They are rotted at the bottom. And I could probably break it just by pushing on it hard enough. I'm not going to. I'm actually going to try a temporary fix with a fence post mender. So I just ordered it from Amazon. It will be here tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and put this section in for today, and that's all I'm going to have time to do. So the great thing about Amazon is you can order things that you can't get in the store. I know there's some things like this at our local store, but not exactly. And so I ordered these yesterday when I realized I had a problem, and today they're here. So I'm going to be able to continue the project. So you have a base part, which is a heavy-duty stake, and then the top part is going to go against the fence, and it's got some screws. This is threaded. Did that focus? Tell me, did it focus? So that part's threaded. So you're going to put these together. The instructions say to do it before you put this in the ground. So it's going to go like that, and then once it's all the way down the ground, the screws here are going to go against the fence post. Honestly, I'm a little skeptical of doing it this way, but I am willing to try because it's easier than replacing my fence post with all the concrete and a new post. The problem is I don't have a lot of space here, and so I would have to dig out all the old concrete in order to put a new post in. So that may be what ends up happening, but for now, we're going to try this. Also comes with a nice pack of hardware, which does include a bit and things to put everything in with, so I like that. This section of the job took me about 15 minutes, and I wish I'd had a little bit heavier hammer. I don't want a full-fledged sledgehammer, but something a little heavier would have helped this out. But the ground actually wasn't too hard either where I was putting it, so it went in all right with not too much effort. I don't think I broke a sweat, but I did it the way I suggested, and this is not the way the instructions say to do it, but I put the stake part in the ground before I bolted it down. I did have to work a little bit then to get it lined up right, and that's going to be your issue if you try to do it the way I did it. So, but I do think it was easier to get it into the ground this way than the way that the instructions suggest. You can follow the directions or you can do it my way. So that leg took me about 15 minutes, and this is the end result. So I dug out a little bit to get the gravel away, so I'll fill that back in. But with the piece in the ground, then this piece, these went in easily in the threaded areas, and then I drilled holes here. I don't think I really needed them. I think they would have gone in fine without it, but and then you saw that they went in easily, and this feels much more secure than it was overall. So again, I don't know if this will be a permanent solution. We're going to try it and see if it will give us a fix for a while. I would be happy with that. Will it last 10 years? Who knows? We'll see. If you stick around, we'll make a video in 10 years. So here's the video of me testing it out as I took the trash out, decided to make a closing video. I initially thought I would put 2 of these on this post because of where it's located. However, it's hardly even, I can't even feel the gate closing. It's so solid now, so I really like this fix.